So today we're going to be reviewing slimes, but this is not our slime. We don't even have a slime thing, but she's going to go first.
So we're pretending we have this store. So we sell these slimes. It's called Butter Slime. That's
Go down.
pretend store name. And so this is
go like this.
This is Banana Split.
We named them ourselves.
Yeah, we did. This is Banana Split. So what do you rate it?
I rate it I really like this one, but it's a 9 out of 10.
Yeah, what makes you say it's a 9 out of 10?
It's just because it's stretchy. It's not really stretchy because it can break easily, but if it's like in a thing like this, it can't break really easily. But yeah, it rips a lot, so.
Well, it doesn't rip a lot.
But it rips sometimes, so
yeah,
a 9 out of 10. It's a really good slime,
yeah,
though.
I rate it like a 9 out of 10 because, I don't know, it's like this smell. It doesn't really smell that good, but it smells like a new slime. It doesn't have a scent, though. So that's why I rate it a 9 out of 10.
Next one.
Okay. So, by the way, this one doesn't have anything in it. The slimes that she has stuff in it. This is the Water Wave. I rate it a 10 out of 10 because I love the color and I like how it stretches and stuff. It breaks sometimes, but not all the time. Like in a while it breaks, but not all the time. It doesn't break all the time. So, yeah. Yeah, now it's her turn to review.
Okay, so it's my turn. So first, we're going off as the unicorn slime. This one has sprinkles. I don't know if you guys can see those little sprinkles. Oh, there's some.
We'll take some out.
No, they can see it. See some right there. Yeah. This one I rate a 6 out of 10.
I rate it like a 9 out of 10 because I love the color and the sprinkles and the stretch.
Okay. So, next one. Next one is the butter. This one, I love this one. This one's so soft and stretchy. This one has little fish beads in it. And like foam beads, I mean. It's really stretchy. It looks like cookie dough, but I'm calling it bear dough because it also looks like a bear.
I rate this like a 10 out of 10. I love the stretch and the texture. But I don't really like how the beads fall out of it. But it doesn't really mind me that much. Let me try playing with it. It doesn't really fall out when I play with it.
I give it a 10 out of 10. 11 out of 10. I really like it. You guys, put your pins down in below. So the first one that she did, was it was it the yellow or the blue?
Comment down below what you rate these and your favorite one.
Yellow was 1, blue was 2, the pink one was 3, and then the butter slime.
The pink one was strawberry.
Anyways,
sorry.
And the last one was 4.
Comment down below which one you like the most and what you rate them. Wait, before the end of the video, we have this in pretend. You can actually get this at Walmart because I got this at Walmart. And so we have these.
Sorry, guys.
Pretend we have these out for 5 weeks. You can get them actually in real life at Walmart. Yeah. But bye.